Old friend, understanding the phrase. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving into a common phrase in the English language, old friend. At first glance, this might seem self-explanatory, but there's a deeper meaning to it. Let's explore together. When you hear the term, old friend, the first thing that might come to mind is the literal interpretation. 1. Old, referring to something that has been in existence for a long time or has been known for a long time. 2. Friend, a person whom one knows and has a bond of mutual affection with, typically exclusive of sexual or family relations. Therefore, combining these two words, an old friend, would be someone you've known and shared a bond with for a long time. However, in English, old friend can also have deeper connotations. 1. Shared experiences. It might imply that you've been through a lot together. Shared experiences, both good and bad. 2. Trust and loyalty. With time, trust grows. Calling someone an old friend can also emphasize the deep trust and loyalty you share with them. 3. Reconnection. If you bump into someone after years of not seeing them, you might greet them with, "Ah, my old friend." This doesn't always mean you were best friends, but you share a history together. Here are some examples to show how old friend can be used in different contexts. 1. Reunion. I met an old friend from college at the reunion. 2. Introduction. Everyone, this is John, an old friend of mine from school. 3. Metaphorical. Ah, my old friend insomnia. We meet again. Here, old friend is used in a more humorous and ironic way to personify insomnia as if it were a person one has encountered multiple times. So there you have it. Old friend isn't just about the length of time you've known someone. It's about the depth of the connection, shared experiences, and sometimes, just shared history. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of this common English phrase. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your vocabulary.